macOS Sequoia 15.5 update is here. Is it worth upgrading? What's new in this update? Stick around, this could save you time and trouble. I'll install the Sequoia 15.5 update on my MacBook Pro M4, show you the step-by-step installation process, and inform you if I encounter any problems. Apple released macOS Sequoia version 15.5 on May 12, 2025. This update includes one minor feature. In Apple Mail, you can now select to view contact photos by clicking on View Options and selecting Show Contact Photo. For speakers of languages other than English, Apple Intelligence now supports French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese, along with localized English for Singapore and India. This update enhances system performance, improves security, and includes bug fixes. Before updating or upgrading, backup your Mac in advance or clone your internal drive to an external one to prevent any potential data loss. Try to update or upgrade your system on your day off to ensure you have enough time to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. To update your macOS, click System Settings in the dock, then General, Software Update, and Info. The macOS Sequoia 15.5 update is 2.98 GB on my MacBook Pro M4. I will install it over 15.4.1. The update size may differ depending on your current macOS version. Once you are sure you want to update, click Update Now. Next, agree to the terms. Enter your admin password and click OK to install. The installation has started, but it will take some time. I'll pause recording this video and resume when the installation is complete. I will also inform you if I encounter any problems during the installation. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel and inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you. The installation of macOS Sequoia version 15.5 is now complete. It took approximately 20 minutes on the MacBook Pro M4, but it may take longer or shorter on your Mac. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 5 times throughout the installation, including 2 black screens lasting about 5 and 15 seconds. I didn't encounter any issues during the installation process, and I can now run macOS Sequoia 15.5 on my MacBook Pro M4. However, it's possible to face issues while using this update. If you are considering upgrading to macOS Sequoia, now is the time to do so and take advantage of its new features such as Apple Intelligence writing tools, iPhone mirroring, password manager, window tiling, improved performance, and many more enhancements. However, I recommend performing a clean installation to avoid potential issues in the future. Watch this video to learn how to do a clean installation. You can access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video, or watch it at the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.